Mas gwapo ko, no?
Who's the guapo?
Mas di gwapo daw.
Lilo.
What do you mean, Sinilo? Gwapo is for a boy.
Handsome, it means handsome.
Who is gwapo, you or Papa?
Papa, ikaw ah.
Papa and Ko. Wow, I think it's you.
No, Papa, ikaw ah.
I am
Wow,
very,
that's so nice of you.
I am very far away, like very big distance from you, Papa.
Uy, sino nagsabi, mahal? Sino nagsabi nun? Bakit sinasabi mo yun? Hindi totoo yan.
You're gwapo, my son.
Why, Mama?
I said what because Papa said Koa is way more handsome than him. Then I said, hey, why are you saying that? Who says that? Nobody should say that. It's not true.
Papa, ikaw.
Before everyone will correct my age. From the sun po.
Ano yun?
It's from surfing, sunburn.
Taong dagat po kami.
This is
Whether you like it or not.
Mommy,
What?
Papa's so skinny.
So skinny?
Skinny? No.
Skinny doesn't mean that. Your balat. Your dry skin. Skinny means thin. Like mom.
It's like that, Baba, when you surf every day, you get sunburn.
My
And
labot
you're-
is itchy.
that's why you need to put sunblock, okay? To protect your skin. Me, I don't care about my skin.
Itchy ako nga.
Itchy mo what?
Sa itchy ako labot. What did Kuya say?
Itchy ko ro ijalabot. Dinner? Dinner?
Dinner adobo.
Adobo. You eating adobo every day. Come on. Can I choose for tonight?
Oh, what's Papa's choice?
Korean.
Patay si Johan.
Korean dinner.
Oh, what?
Okay, let's go. We go.